So what's up my people, it's your boys King here once again with another update. So today's video we are going to talk about this particular project that I shared on my channel, on my Telegram channel uh, yesterday, which is called Northern Gates. So it's a gaming project of opening gates and this and that. So without saying much, let's actually open the box. So if you follow the link in the description of this video, it's going to take you over to this my Telegram channel where you get the link to this particular project, this app. So once you click on this particular link and click on start, it's going to take you over to the bot, this app. So here in the bot you see it's going to open this. I'm just creating a brand new account in this for the sake of this video. So this is a brand new account. So this says welcome to Nodg. So you have to watch read this particular description and see that says open the gate of North where your prize awaits. Invite, complete and claim bonus to collect Northern points, which will be converted into Northern coin soon. So they say it's going to be converted into Northern points. So we actually don't know the ratio which they are going to convert it, but with what we are earning in this particular project, it's likely to be 1:1. So let's continue. If you click on continue, they will show you have to choose, and this says choose wisely. Hold the key to that unlocks any door, but only one out of the three hides the treasure. Make your choice and find the prize. Multiply up to 1 million points. I'm going to come to this, so take note. Click on continue again. You see that says extra reward. Get extra route by keeping up the daily streak and completing tasks. Invite friends and grab new key and earn points for each referral. So if you click on continue, you see where it says prepare for the launch for your future exchange. Start now to collect points and score the biggest chunk from airdrop wherever you go live and blah blah blah. So they're actually telling us that soon they're going to launch, and their project is going to be an exchange project. And you guys know how exchange projects those, they are always amazing. So if you click on start playing now, it's going to give you your welcome bonus and then your daily streak of 100 coin and 3 key. So how did it work? First of all, click on this particular knock here. If you click on it, it's going to load up a bit and give you some seconds for you to tap on the gate. So the more you tap the coin, the more you earn coin. So it's going to be for around 10 seconds or below, I don't know. So as you can see, I'm tapping it. I still have 1 second left, and now this is my first coin earning for the. So if I click on claim over here now, you see that the claim button just worked, and I've actually earned that 180 connect access. So as you can see, in this account I am in stage 1 and I have up to 13 key, and this key is what you are going to be using to open this door. So if you click on any key over here, any door over here, you see that we just selected the right door. So you can easily click on risk to multiply. If you risk it, you can lose it, you can earn it. So let me just show it to you guys. If you click risk to multiply, you see that I think I lost it. So let me open another gate again. Okay, I didn't lost it. If you click on risk to multiply, and then it's going to show you another gate. If you open the right gate, it's going to multiply for you. You can also click to risk to multiply again or claim the prize, but I will advise you to claim the prize and don't try your best to risk to multiply every single time, or else you have enough key to do so. So this is a brand new account that I'm opening, so I can easily click on claim reward here and try my best to earn more of it with the keys. So this is just how to do it. It's not stressful. You don't need to be tapping or doing anything. So once you're done burning your keys there, you can also go over to tasks over here and then try your best to complete some of the tasks which they give, or should I say all their tasks. Look at the task server. All these tasks is going to give you more key and more coin balance. So remember, you are going to convert this balance soon. So there says no partner tax yet. So we are still very new on this particular project, and I don't have much to say in it because we are still new on it. There's no much update, and you know, when you are new, when you are early, we are still early on this project. When you're early on any project, you know the benefits. You are going to earn more before the latecomers end. Don't forget to drop a like, join my WhatsApp group, my Telegram channel for more updates. And if the more this is my main account, this is where I've been trying my best to invite. So the more you invite, the bigger the coin you earn. So I've actually invited around 20 people, and I have actually gotten 10,000 coins from them and extra 200 keys. So that means I can actually open any door and try my best to increase it or multiply it, to risk and multiply it. So this is it. I can easily click on this to multiply here, and without stressing myself, I know that even if I lose it, I will be able to I have enough keys to unlock more. So this is it. This is my first video on the project, and this is the only information I have to give you guys. So for my next video, if there is any updates, I'll give it to you guys. So that is one reason you need to join my Telegram channel and my WhatsApp group. So without saying much, this is the end of this video. Once again, my name still remains King, and this is ZBK Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.